The traction control system warning light is a critical indicator that tells you about your vehicle's traction control status. Understanding what this light means can help prevent dangerous situations. This yellow warning light with a car skidding symbol appears on your dashboard when there are issues with the traction control system. It can indicate system status changes, potential malfunctions, or active traction control. A solid TCS light means the system is completely disabled or malfunctioning. This typically occurs due to sensor failures, ECU communication breakdowns, or when the system has been manually disabled. A flashing TCS light indicates the system is actively working to prevent wheel slip. This is normal operation during low traction conditions like rain, snow, or ice. The flashing should stop once traction is regained. Modern TCS systems are highly integrated, connecting to over 15 vehicle control modules. They use predictive algorithms to anticipate wheel slip and work closely with ABS and electronic stability control systems. According to 2024 industry data, sensor-related issues account for 45% of TCS problems. Electronic system failures make up 30%, and mechanical issues represent 25%. Ignoring the TCS warning light can seriously compromise your vehicle's stability and safety. Remember, a solid light means system malfunction requiring immediate attention, while a flashing light indicates normal operation during low traction. Modern systems are sophisticated, but require proper maintenance to function correctly. When your TCS warning light activates, your immediate response is crucial for safety. First, reduce your speed gradually, especially in adverse weather conditions. Avoid sudden steering, braking, or acceleration changes. These actions could cause loss of control when your traction control system is compromised. Once you're safely stopped, you can begin basic troubleshooting steps that don't require professional tools. Start with simple checks you can perform yourself. First, ensure all tires are properly inflated and matched. Uneven tire pressure can trigger false TCS warnings. Next, perform a visual inspection of the wheel speed sensors and wiring. Look for obvious damage, corrosion, or debris that might interfere with sensor operation. If no obvious issues are found, try a system reset by disconnecting the battery for 15 minutes or more. This can clear temporary software glitches. However, most TCS issues require professional diagnosis with specialized equipment. Modern vehicles need advanced diagnostic tools to properly identify the problem. Professional technicians use OBD scanners to read TCS-specific diagnostic codes and monitor wheel speed sensor data in real time. Technicians can also test individual sensors with multimeters and verify that all electronic control units are communicating properly. Understanding repair costs helps you budget for TCS fixes. Sensor replacement typically costs between $150 and $400 in 2024. ECU reprogramming ranges from $200 to $500, depending on vehicle complexity. These costs reflect 2024 pricing data. Major component replacement often requires complete system calibration, which adds to the overall repair time and cost. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance, including TCS system checks, can prevent many issues before they become expensive problems. Keep your vehicle's ECU software updated to avoid glitches like those seen in the 2023 Toyota Camry recall, which affected over 180,000 vehicles. Regular sensor cleaning, especially during winter months when road salt can cause corrosion, significantly extends system life and reliability. Remember, when your TCS light activates, prioritize safety first. Try basic troubleshooting, but don't hesitate to seek professional help for proper diagnosis and repair.